Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Word Work. Today, we're getting into the holiday spirit. With 30 English holiday words and phrases you'll hear all December long. These are perfect for conversations, parties, travel, and festive small talk. Ready? Let's begin. Holiday vocabulary. Holiday season. The time between late November and early January. Example: my favorite time of year is the holiday season. Festive. Cheerful and full of celebration. Example: the city looks festive with all the lights. Celebration. A special event to enjoy something. Example: we had a small celebration at work. Tradition. Something people do every year. Example: baking Christmas cookies is our family tradition. Decoration. Items used to make a place look special. Example: we put up decorations on December 1st. Ornament. Small decorative item for a tree. Example: that ornament is beautiful. Lights. Small bulbs used to decorate homes. Example: we hung lights around the windows. Fireplace. The place where you burn wood indoors. Example: we sat by the fireplace to stay warm. Gifts. Presents you give to others. Example: I bought gifts for my friends. Wrap. Cover something with paper. Example: let's wrap these presents tonight. Holiday activities. Bake. Cook in an oven. Example: we love to bake cookies together. Host. To invite people to your home. Example: my aunt is the host for the holiday dinner. Gather. Come together as a group. Example: the family gathered on Christmas Eve. Toast. Raising a glass to celebrate. Example: let's make a toast to the new year. Exchange. To give and receive gifts. Example: we exchanged gifts after dinner. Sing. To use your voice with music. Example: we sang our favorite holiday songs. Celebrate. Enjoy a special occasion. Example: we always celebrate on December 24th. Travel. Go to another place. Example: many people travel for the holidays. Invite. Ask someone to join an event. Example: I invited my neighbors to the party. Relax. Rest and enjoy your time. Example: I love to relax during the winter break. Seasonal words. Snowflake. A small piece of falling snow. Example: every snowflake is different. Cozy. Warm and comfortable. Example: the room feels cozy with the lights on. Hot chocolate. Warm chocolate drink. Example: let's make hot chocolate tonight. Scarf. Clothing worn around the neck in cold weather. Example: she wore a red scarf. Gloves. Clothing for your hands. Example: don't forget to wear your gloves. Fireplace. Warm indoor fire area. Example: we sat and chatted by the fireplace. Winter break. Time off from school or work. Example: we always travel during winter break. Caroling. Singing holiday songs in a group. Example: we went caroling last weekend. Countdown. Counting numbers until the new year. Example: the countdown starts at midnight. New Year's resolution. A goal for the new year. Example: My resolution is to get healthy. Great job! You just learned 30 holiday words and phrases you'll hear all season long. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow WordWork, where we help you build real English for real life.